In this video, we'll be installing the accessory shelf door and back panel. This kit includes all needed hardware. This installation requires the tools shown here. For more detailed instructions, see the manual included with this kit. If installing the optional back shelf panel, tighten all hardware prior to door installation. To install the shelf door, first determine your shelf door placement and loosely fasten hinge to the row of shelf holes, starting with outer holes. Next, fasten the latch plate to the bottom of the middle shelf and ensure vertical tab is facing the shelf door. Then, attach the cables and support tabs to the end panels 2 spaces below middle shelf bolt. Once cables are in place, tighten the support tabs into place on both sides. Your keys will be located on the inside of the shelf door. Remove keys and store in a safe location. Test out the lock on the door prior to installation in the van.